Maybe you're like me and your bunk carpet is finally starting to show some age and potentially getting to this point where these hot spots are going to turn into a hole. I guess we'll have to recarpet the entire trailer. Wrong. Introducing the Bunk Carpet Patch by Cuda Powersports. This is a very robust, the equivalent of 80 ounce per square yard patch. It's got a soft polyester top. It's got a hemmed PVC and corded edge that allows your boat to slide on and off very easily without snagging. This natural hem line allows you to sink staples in here and keep it protected if you so choose to do so. The PVC is extremely strong. It's also stitched on the bottom, so this carpet will not fray or tear apart. And you can easily attach this around your bunk carpet, around your bunk board, instead of having to replace the entire length. I'm going to show you how. There's really no right or wrong way of how to go about doing this, but here's how we recommend. You can also use bunk carpet adhesive to put on the bottom of this and a layer on the carpet itself to make sure that it adheres very strong. So we've got our bunk carpet adhesive, and we've also got our rust-proof Renewed Warrior staples. So first things first, you identify the area you want to patch. You place the patch on the center of the bunk board. There's really no difference. It can go this way, it can go that way. The unique butterfly design allows you to use this patch in a lot of different ways. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the patch is tight across this, as tight as you can get it. So the first thing we recommend is you place a couple staples along the side of the bunk board, like so. Now, using these butterfly ends, grab onto them and pull down as tightly as possible and sink your next staple. Now, to further strengthen the hold on this, once you take this leading edge of this butterfly design, wrap it around the bottom of the board and staple it. And then finally, go around the rest of the carpet and put any more staples in it that you think may be necessary. You cannot use too many staples. Now you have a very tight piece of bunk carpet on here with this leading edge that'll allow your boat to roll up, over and off the bunk board easily without snagging or tearing. And again, if you are worried about any snags or tears, you can place additional staples along here if you'd so choose. But now we have a patch that's going to cover up that tear or that hot spot and allow us to go boating, and it was only a 5-minute fix.